What's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Turnage du Bois. Welcome back. Today we have this piece that appears to be where a limb came off a tree. It's got this inclusion in it, so we'll have some fun time kind of figuring that part out, how we want to work around that. But what I want to do is just see what I can do from it. I got this piece from Daryl, who is our club president for the local Kansas Association of Woodturners. So he gave it to me. He wasn't sure what he would ever do with it. So I'm going to give it a try, see what happens. So let's get to it. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that, where we took that piece of wood and threw it on the lathe. That was a piece that my buddy Daryl from our local Woodturners Club had given me. He was a little bit worried about how it would hold together because of that big void in the middle that you saw. I was not sure what kind of wood it was. The wood looked like maple, but the bark was much more thick, like cottonwood. But what I think happened is that bark got thickened up by growing over that scar tissue from where the limb had come off at one point. So it is actually maple. There's some amazing curling down in the bottom and then around on this side here. The inclusion area where the branch broke off and the bark is just absolutely stunning to me. Just the way it held together. I was super happy with how it turned out. We're just at 10.5 inches across, almost 4 inches tall. So that's our total dimension there. I left the walls a little thicker just because I did not want it falling apart as I turned it, but I am extremely happy with how this turned out. And as you saw, I finished this with the tongue honey from Brad's workbench. So if you want some of that or want to try it, there's a link to his store down below in the description. So check it out. Support him as he is a small business making that. And it is truly an amazing product. Soaks in well, finishes beautifully, gives a nice matte finish that is very durable and very long lasting. So definitely check out his store. Hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, if this is your first time here, please do consider subscribing. If you like the video, give it the thumbs up. If not, give it the thumbs down. Either way, please do leave comments, feedback down below, because I do appreciate those and read every one of those, and I do reply. At any rate, we will catch you next time.